friends, God bless you and welcome. This is a Princess Dream Wedding Centerpiece, and the hosts are Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel and Miss Tammy from the Glam Queen of Decor, and they asked us to do a wedding centerpiece. And here I am doing a DIY using an old lamp stand. Now here I'm going to use my silver cloth and a white tablecloth with a mirror in the middle. And you will gradually see me build my old lamp, which I already had, make it into a beautiful flower piece. Thank you so much for stopping in.
Now I see we were meant to be.
Okay, friends, as I try to put this together, I am going to use this floral foam that I got from the Dollar Tree. I already had. And before you try to do that, make sure you take the wire piece out also.
Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see.
Now, if you're going to use this project and I have to move it, I would suggest you use some E6000. I'm here trying to adjust the camera for you so you can see what I'm doing. But make sure you use E6000, some hot glue, and once you push it down to get the shape, just get some scissors and put a little deeper hole in it and put glue down in there and just hold it down so it'll stay stabilized. So I would suggest you use some hot glue with this and some E6000 if you want your flora and everything to stay. But I'm not doing this for permanent because I'm going to be using my flowers for other projects. So I want to use different flowers in this. And just trial and error, guys, trial and error. So I'll just try to take you along with me as much as I can.
Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had.
So the flowers I'm using is peonies flowers. Those I have already had. The ones from the Dollar Tree, that are peonies flowers, hydrangeas or hydrangeas, and also some fill-in flowers, a little bit of roses in here. So I think I got about 3 or 4 different flowers, but I had to kind of balance it because I didn't have enough hydrangeas for the bottom, so I kind of mixed it a little bit here. So you can do, however you like. You can choose just one type of flower or you can mix it. So I'm just going to have mine a little mix, and just as you see, I'll have it moving around. So I kind of just really played with this because I didn't know which way I was going with it. But if I just had hydrangea flowers, I would have just used those at the bottom.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand.
So as I'm building this, I added one of my gold spray painted flowers in here, and I want it to hang down. So like I said, I'll be playing around with this back and forth to find the look I want.
'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
As I'm building this, I did took some of the flowers off the stems and move all the leaves. And to cover the bottom, I just put some hot glue and just push it into the foam. That's all you have to do. And you can fill in some holes here and there. But as I'm building this, if I were to do this for an event, I think I would really just use the hydrangeas for the bottom because they're good for fillers.
And didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see.
So on the bottom, I added 2 gold candles and 2 other gold candle holders I got from Home Goods. And I add a gold jewelry. I don't know if you can see it's hanging down there from the front. You don't want to give it some princess look. But like I said, I think I would have did it a little differently if I had to do it for an event. But nevertheless, I think I can still get away with this. What y'all think?
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just.
So friends, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you to all my friends who's watching. This is my first time on building a wedding centerpiece, so I hope it came out well. But like I said, I'll learn some trial and error here. So thank you, ladies, Miss Tammy and Miss Anna, for putting this together. Friends, there will be a playlist, and I thank you so much and have a blessed, prosperous evening. God bless you from Penny, and bye-bye.